Here I have Realme C21, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So to do this, you firstly have to open Settings, then go to the fingerprint face and password, and tap Add Fingerprint. Then you have to get to know with these informations in 5 seconds, and then tap Continue. Then you have to enter your lock screen password. It could be this 6-digit password. You can use the different password type here. You can select 4-digit password, pattern, 4 to 16-digit password, or password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. I'll just select the most simple one. Then you enter your password, then you confirm it. And then what you have to do is to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located here at the back of your device, and just tap on it with your finger several times like this. Then adjust the holding position and tap a few more times. And it's done. And now, for example, I can unlock my device without entering my password and with only just my fingerprint, like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.